As travelers, we're always trying to find ways to make additional income. Whether that's finding a freelance job, which can be few and far between, or convincing your boss to let you work from anywhere or work from home, which can be difficult at times, we're trying to find ways that we can fund our lifestyle and still be able to live our dreams. Well, have you considered using investing in the stock market as a way to bring in income while you travel? I know it sounds weird because you're probably used to thinking of investing for the long haul or for retirement, but you can actually invest to bring in regular income. And let me give you 5 reasons why investing could be the best side hustle for you. The first benefit is the fact that you have freedom. Now, what do I mean by that? Freedom from bosses, freedom from staff, no crazy toxic work environment. When you invest in the stock market, you are a solo contributor. You're able to invest your own money and you make all the decisions of when to work, when to not work, when to invest in the stock, when to take it out, when to sell, but all of it relies on you and you don't have to rely on anyone else. So that's benefit number 1, freedom. Benefit number 2 is location independence. Yes, I know you've heard a ton of people talking about work from anywhere, #WFA lifestyle, but with trading and investing in the stock market, it's really true. There are apps now where you're able to invest straight from your cell phone. I literally have made $2,000 sitting on the beach in Fiji, and then I made another $16,000 sitting in a cabana in Italy. Like, you can make money from anywhere in the world straight from your cell phone with no bars. All you need is Wi-Fi. Benefit number 3 is flexibility. This is the biggest one for me. I get chills thinking about how my boss used to have the ability to veto my vacation time. As travelers, you know how important it is for us to be able to take a trip when we want to. The deals don't come around all the time. When you're a trader, you can choose your own schedule. You can decide to trade on a regular basis, or a daily basis, and get in and out quickly. You can decide to let it ride and trade on a weekly basis. Or you can decide, you know what, I'm gonna be hands off this month so that I can just relax on the beach. And you can do that because you have control over your own schedule and your own time as a trader. And that's flexibility. Now, benefit number 4 is your income potential. No more limits and caps on how much money you can earn. No more asking your boss for a raise. No more sitting in your cubicle wondering why so-and-so got the job and you didn't. When you are a trader, you have total control over your income. And I will tell you guys, I remember sitting in my desk, I was an assistant principal, and of course, I wasn't supposed to be doing this, but I was trading at work. And I remember making a trade at my desk at work that was more than I would have made that whole month as a principal. That's the kind of income potential that you have from investing in the stock market. Now, number 5 is about your impact. This is one that I didn't quite realize until I became a full-time investor in the stock market. So when I was an assistant principal, my goal was to help kids have equality in education. But the only people that I could really impact were the kids that were inside of my school building. Now, as an investor, I'm able to fund ministries. I've funded a music concert, I've funded mental health ministries. My impact has broadened. Not only the impact on other organizations, but impact on my current students. They're making money now for their families. And then my family has all of a sudden brought in their mindset on what's possible in this life by seeing it being done by me. When you're an investor, you're making a bigger impact than you would if you were just sitting at a desk. So are you ready now to start making income through investing? Hopefully you've learned that there are 5 benefits from investing that you may not get from any other kind of job. You have freedom as an investor to be your own boss. You have control over your time and flexibility. You have location independence where you can work from anywhere. You have no limits on the income that you can make, and you have a huge potential to make an impact on the community. If you're ready to take the next step and become an investor, check out my website at investwithterry.com. I can teach you how to make unlimited profits from investing in the stock market.